by and take a look at the 2017 Infiniti Q70. The luxurious Infiniti Q70 offers plush interior accommodations and a spacious interior cabin. Passengers of the Q70 will feel like they're riding first class all the way. Enhanced agility and safety protection features fill this luxury sedan and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.